Thinking about getting free Robux from Rt6.lol? Hold up, before you dive in, you really need to know what you're getting into. Rt6.lol claims to offer free Robux, Fortnite V-Bucks, Google Play gift cards, and more, all for completing a few simple tasks. At first glance, it looks legit, clean layout, tempting offers, and promises that make it sound like you've hit the jackpot. But as soon as you start clicking through, the cracks begin to show. The tasks lead you to endless surveys, weird browser redirects, and third-party sites that seem sketchy at best and dangerous at worst. There's no actual company name listed, no contact info, no privacy policy worth trusting. Basically, zero transparency. I decided to test it out myself and completed the steps exactly as instructed just to see what would happen. After all that time and effort, there was no reward at the end, no Robux, no V-Bucks, not even a fake gift card code. It just keeps pushing you to more tasks and more links, keeping you stuck in a loop. I wouldn't go so far as to call it a hardcore scam, but it's definitely misleading and wastes your time while possibly exposing your data to unknown parties.